Hello everyone, I am Mr. Pandurang Dhakne and now I am going to teach you something about English language. Before that, I want to tell you something. Please like, share, subscribe my channel because I am beginner and if you want to motivate me, if you want to appreciate me, then please subscribe my channel and like it. So students, in a previous lesson we saw two songs of our standard, it's from 5th standard, and both songs are of first unit, songs and greetings. For quick revision, I have slide as well as music here, so let's read and listen this music. Okay, start. Okay friends, now for these songs you can try by using your book also, and you can read these lines again and again. You can use this video. So friends, today we are going to see on page number 2 that here first activity is going to start, and in this activity here we have one picture, and this is one of the chart. About in the chart there are so many different types of pictures. Okay, there are pictures and you have to observe the picture carefully to find as many as words as you can for each of the letters from A to Z. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला या पानावर मोठं एक चित्र दिलेलं आहे. या चित्रामध्ये अनेक वस्तू आहेत, काही प्राणी आहेत, त्याच्यानंतर काही व्यक्ती आहेत, वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे चित्र या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहेत. तर ए पासून झेड पर्यंत प्रत्येक अक्षरासाठी त्या त्या अक्षराने सुरू होणारे जास्तीत जास्त चित्र आपल्याला यामध्ये शोधायचे आहेत आणि त्याचे शब्द शोधायचे आहेत. सुरू होणारे जास्तीत जास्त शब्द चित्रात शोधा. म्हणजे कसं, ज्या वेगवेगळ्या वस्तू आहेत किंवा व्यक्ती आहेत किंवा भाज्या आहेत त्यांची नावं आपल्याला या चित्रातून शोधायची आहेत. We see here, I have to read again. Observe the picture carefully to find as many words as you can for each of the letters from A to Z. Actually, I have divided this picture in two parts. First half part, now we will go and see first half part. Okay? Yeah. how beautiful this picture is. So nice, really. And I see here four words. First word I see here, it's a T-A-S-T-Y, tasty. What's tasty? Then again I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Correct? Tasty ice cream. Tasty ice cream. The word tasty and another word ice cream. Both words are given on this picture. Okay. Also here B-U-S and S-T-O-P. B-U-S S-T-O-P. Bus stop. Bus stop. Okay. Means for two things. Words are given here. These are what we can say handouts. Like this is the board of bus stop and this is the title of this book. Okay. But what we see in this picture? Yes, first the source of light, that's the sun. सूर्य सर्वांना माहित आहे, सूर्य आपल्याला उष्णता देतो, सूर्य पूर्वेला उगवतो, हे तर आपण नेहमीच ऐकलेलं आहे. Sun rises to east, correct. Here we see kite. Do you like kite? Yeah, everyone likes kite. And kite has different colors. It has tail. It has what do we see here? In Marathi, taga or dhaga, rope. Okay. Yeah, you see here kite. You like it, I know. Also you see some buildings. Here are building. Okay. House, then trees, huts, then horse, sheep, and van, driver, steering, tire, and tower, clouds. Oh, fantastic picture this is. Also parrot. I know you like parrot. And this tree is also nest is on the tree, and two birds or baby birds inside the nest I see there. Means this picture is very nice. Also well, one woman is fetching water from the well, and some passengers are waiting for bus. They want to go to Dharani. You know Dharani. Maybe there. This is the Friday, and you know in Dharani Friday is market day. Now, friends, as you observe this picture very well, and you reminded. You found many things in this picture. Also, you watched it and read it very well. Okay. जसं तुम्ही सूर्य पाहिला, पतंग पाहिला, त्यानंतर इमारत पाहिली, घोडा पाहिला, मेंढ्या पाहिल्या, त्याच्यानंतर काही प्रवासी पाहिले, जसे काही ते धारणेच्या बाजाराला चालले आहेत. आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट म्हणजे तुम्ही या चित्रामध्ये आईस्क्रीम पाहिली, तुम्ही जोकर पाहिला, तुम्ही हत्ती पाहिला. वा 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 वा. आणि आता काय करायचं आहे, या चित्रामध्ये तुम्ही ज्या ज्या गोष्टी पाहिल्या ना, त्या गोष्टी, त्या वस्तू आणि त्या प्राण्यांची, पक्ष्यांची, वस्तूंची नावे तुम्हाला आपल्या वहीमध्ये लिहायची आहेत. You have to write all the things. You have to write the names of all things in your notebook. Okay. For that, here you have to pause your video, because I will show you all the names which are in this picture, all the names of those things which things are given in this picture. Okay, so first pause video, then write it, and then match with this list which you miss, or you may write more than me also. These are words. Now I am going to read list of words. If you are unable to read some words, then please listen to me carefully and try to read with me. Okay? Now, sky, sun, sheep, stop, shoes, bus, birds, board, bag, bee, boy, cream, clouds, coconut, cuckoo, kite, hills, herds, horse, house, trees, tower, well, woman, way, it's woman, way, fruits, nest, eggs, elephant, eyes, people, parrot, word, old man, van, driver. Very nice. Students, you got the list of the words. Please practice it, read it every day, and write it also. Okay? Now we are going to see remaining pictures. Okay? Means in our textbook we have full picture. Okay? And I cropped it, means half part of the picture we saw in last slide. Now in this slide we are going to see and observe half part of the given picture. Okay, this picture is also very attractive, and here are many things in this picture you see around your house, in your farm. Some you see when you go to market, that time you see some things which are given in this picture. Also in this picture one shop is there, and the shop is about Xerox copy machine. Okay, and one girl is conducting that machine. Also telephone is there in her shop. One customer is there, maybe he is looking like teacher, and that teacher is asking her about to make Xerox copies of his documents, and he has one file also, has one set, and he is ready to go to school maybe. Also one banana tree is there. Inside that one we can see here, we can say bungalow, and they have compound, wall compound for that bungalow, and inside the compound there is banana tree, and near that banana tree one monkey is looking to eat the bananas. Do you like banana? Yes. Yes, I know, because you are very fond of banana, and I also like banana, really. And number of that bungalow is 17, 17, yeah. But there is a watchman, and gate of the bungalow is closed. Hey, how? Maybe let it be. I don't care about that. Okay, there is one tree of flowers, then that is roses. Okay, one butterfly, rabbit, and some white flowers there are, and under the chair of that watchman, yes, I see there. Undir, undir, do you know? Mouse, chua, and behind that chua means in English we can say cat is running after the mouse. Cat is running after the mouse, and dog is running after the cat. Oh, you all are very familiar about these pet animals, and you know cat eats mouse and dog catches cat, and three wonderful and fantastic guys, you can say, children are playing, and they are also running behind the dog. Some of them have different kinds of toys like airplane, also like drum and drumsticks, and another vegetable vendor that woman is going to sell her vegetables and earn some money. You know, money is very important in this nowadays. Okay. Also, another painter who has a good hat and is going to do something, his work. I don't know exactly, but giraffe is on that picture. Okay, one cow is grazing. Also, there is water in a lake. Also, frog on the stone, and one man is also going by using an umbrella. I don't know why is he using that umbrella, because I don't see rain there. Okay, let it be. Now you have to again pause video, because some words are given you here like apple, elephant, ice cream, hole, umbrella, but as we observe full picture, you have to write all the names of those things which you see in this picture. तुम्ही या चित्रामध्ये ज्या ज्या वस्तू पाहिलेल्या आहेत त्या सगळ्या वस्तूंची नावं लिहून काढायची आहेत सुंदर हस्ताक्षरामध्ये. ते लिहिपर्यंत हा व्हिडिओ पॉज करायचा आहे. त्यानंतर मी तुम्हाला लिस्ट दाखवणार आहे. लिहिले? सर्वांनी लिहिले? ओके. आणि आता या ठिकाणी तुम्ही लिस्ट पाहताय. लेट मी रीड these words. Please listen to me carefully and try to follow me, or you can read with me, no problem. Okay, if you have any difficulty to read these words, so please listen to me carefully. Road and cat, snake, arrow, monkey, wall, banana, butterfly, rabbit, stick, shoes, chair, gate, cap, hat, rose, pot, trees, lock, dog, mouse, grass, drum, fish, apple, star, purse, umbrella, watch, auntie, flower, stones, frog, cow, file, telephone, Xerox machine, squirrel, airplane, then ribbon, pumpkin, brinjals, tomato, onion, carrot, radish, spinach, fenugreek. Do you know what is the meaning of this word? मराठीमध्ये आपण याला मेथी म्हणतो. मेथी, तुम्हाला मेथी आवडते ना? हा, तर ही आहे मेथी. स्पिनॅच म्हणजे पालक, रॅडिश म्हणजे मुळा. गॉगल्स, वूल, झेब्रा, बुक, बॉटल्स, बँगल्स, कलर्स, 17, lake, water, shirt, ears, I don't know, bird, leaves, cloth, house. Okay friends, now you have homework here, and that homework is that from previous slide, means words which we wrote about half picture, those all words and these given words you have to arrange it alphabetically from A to Z. Okay, it's your homework. जे शब्द दिलेले आहेत या चार्ट मधले आणि मागील चार्ट मधले जे यापूर्वी तुम्हाला दाखवलेला आहे, या दोन्ही चार्ट मधील सगळे शब्द हे अल्फाबेटिकली, म्हणजे ए चे शब्द अगोदर, बी चे शब्द नंतर, सी चे शब्द त्यानंतर, अशा पद्धतीने सर्वांना लिहून काढायचे आहेत आणि याचं वाचन करायचं आहे. ओके.